Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to start our lesson number 14, Adjectives. What is an adjective? Let's read. An adjective is a word that tells us something about a noun, that is, about a person, an animal, a thing, or a place. The adjectives are describing words. They are added to nouns to state the kind, color, which one, or how many. They also tell how nouns look, smell, taste, sound, or feel. So, my dear students, what do we understand from this? Adjective means any word which can describe noun, which tells something about noun. Now see, if I say boy, boy is a noun. Now, what words I can use to describe a boy? I can say smart, tall, intelligent, wise. Now, all these words which I have used to describe boy are called adjectives, means adding to the noun. So any word which tells anything about the noun means it can tell the kind, the color, which one means if I say this boy, that boy, these boys, those boys, then also these words are adjectives. And how many, if any word is telling about how many nouns or how many boys, then also that word is adjective. Like one boy, two boys, three boys, many boys, several boys. So any word which is adding to the noun, telling something about the noun, that is adjective. So see the examples now. My kitten is playful. So you can see here, kitten is noun. And which word is used to describe the kitten? Playful. The word playful is used for kitten. So here, playful is adjective. See the next sentence. My aunt lives in a crowded city. City is noun. And the word used for the city which is describing the city is crowded. How is the city? Crowded. So this word crowded is describing the city. That's why crowded is adjective. Next, our neighbors are friendly. Now here, for whom we are using this word friendly? We are using this word friendly for our neighbors. And what is neighbor? Neighbor is a noun. So, the word used for noun is adjective. So, friendly neighbors. Our neighbors are friendly. So, your friendly is used for the noun. That's why friendly is adjective. Number 4. The gardener is skillful. The gardener is skillful. So, who is skillful? The gardener. And what is gardener? Gardener is noun. So, skillful is used for this noun gardener. So, skillful is adjective. Next, that pretty girl in a pink frock is my elder sister. Now you can see here all these red words are adjective because they are describing the nouns. They are adding to the nouns. Pretty, pretty is used for the noun girl. Pink is used for the noun frock. Elder is used for the noun sister. Pretty, girl. Pink, frock. Elder, sister. So you can see the word which is used for the nouns are red in color means these are adjectives. So I think all of you have understood what are adjectives. Let me give you some more examples. If I say round table, round table. First of all, whenever we are identifying adjectives, first we have to check the noun. Which is a noun in the table? Table is noun. Now which word is describing this table? Round. Round is used for the table. So round is adjective and table is noun. Understood? Let us take some other example. If I say beautiful city, beautiful city. Now city is a noun. Okay. Now which word is used for city here? Beautiful. What is beautiful? For which noun we are using the word beautiful? The beautiful word is used for the city, and city is noun. That's why beautiful is adjective, because it is describing, it is telling something about noun city. Understood? Similarly, if I say give me one pencil, give me one pencil. Now here pencil is noun. This we all know, because pencil is the name of thing. Now one, here one is used for which thing? One is used with pencil. It is describing about the number of pencil. How many pencils do you want? So here one is describing the number of pencils I want, and pencil is a noun. So that's why one is adjective. One is telling the number of nouns. Okay, so any word, whatever it is telling, whether it is telling the number of nouns, whether it is telling the color of noun, the kind of noun, anything, quality of noun. So all these words which describes noun, that word is adjective. Okay. Now see this exercise. Suitable noun for the following adjectives. Now here adjectives are already written. Now we have to write a noun, means for which noun we can use this adjective, like boring, film. Smelly, what can be smelly? Socks. Smelly socks. Sour, lemon. Blue sea. Tall building. 5 fingers. So like this you have to complete this. See the B exercise. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives. Now here sentences are given and nouns are there. See here, read the sentence. You have to use the adjective to describe the nouns. Children sat down on the dash grass. So here grass is a noun. You have to write any adjective to describe. Here it is already written, green grass. The children sat down on the green grass. Green is adjective. It is telling the color of the noun. Next, my aunt's garden is dash. My aunt's garden is dash. Now here you can write down anything. You can describe the garden in any way. You can say my aunt's garden is very big. You can write down my aunt's garden is beautiful. Okay. So you can write any adjective here, whatever you feel like. I am reading a very dash book. I am reading a very dash book. So which adjective you can write? How can you describe the book? You can say I am reading a very knowledgeable book. I am reading a very interesting book. Okay. So you can write any of the word. Doordarshan is a or an dash channel. Is a or an old channel. Is an old channel. My lunch box is empty. So please complete the rest of the exercise. Till then, take care. Bye bye.